everyone, so today is I was gonna say January, nope. Hi everyone, so today is June 20th and I decided to vlog today and Monday. We'll see if there's anything happening on Monday. If there isn't, then I'll just vlog as well Tuesday. So today, my mom, my sister, and I went to Target and I picked up a few things that I wanted to show you. And I also got a very exciting package and I'm going to be unboxing it in this vlog and reviewing it and testing it out. I'm really excited because they actually contacted me and asked me if I can review and unbox their products, and I'm so excited because I've been actually needing one of these. I am so excited to show it, to unbox it. And yeah, but first let me just show you what I got from Target. First, I got this cute basket that I'm going to put inside my closet, and I'm going to put my blankets. Now, I did look and I don't think it's the same color that I got last time. This is the color I got last time. Yeah, wait, are they the same? No, they're not the same, but it's fine. It's gonna be inside my closet, so I don't really mind. And I'm gonna put those blankets. And I also got this nail polish, and I picked this up because I've been needing a white nail polish. And I also bought a black nail polish because I don't have any black nail polishes. And look at my nails today. I've been painting my nails like every day. I'm finally growing my nails again. For a while, I was biting them because I was in school and I was nervous, and yeah. And I also got this plant in Ross, and I got this last week and I really like it on my desk. It looks very cute. This one's like sticking out. I kind of want to move it. I'm really excited because it looks nice and it just adds some greenery in my room. So I'm going to put this in my closet and I'm going to show you how it looks. Okay, and this is how it looks. As you can see, the color is different, but I'm okay with that. It's in the closet and it just looks a lot more organized, and I know what's inside each basket. Like, these are my towels, these are my throws, and then these are my bigger blankets. So now I'm going to be unboxing the item. Oh, and if you guys are wondering, I have a new earring on. I ripped out my other one by accident. Literally ripped it out, and it broke, and I don't know where the back side went. So my mom put a new one in so it wouldn't close, and it's doing all right. Sometimes it does act up. Like 2 days ago, it was acting up, my earring, but I'm taking care of it and hopefully it turns out good. But yeah, I got a new earring in because I ripped out the other one. And it was scary. I thought I was gonna lose my piercing, and I was like, oh man. But no. And I put my hair up because like it's so not cute right now. See, it's like going in. I'll put it up though. So I'm gonna set you on my tripod and we're gonna be unboxing this thing, and I'm so excited. Okay, so here is the box.
When did you get my X-Acto?
When I went to your room.
When did you go to my room?
To ask you if you wanted to see.
Oh, okay. I never, nope. I'm not seeing.
So this is the box. It says Cami Safe Innovation for Life. Okay.
Ooh.
Oh, oh. Yeah. So, as you can see, it is a tripod. A smaller tripod, which is super, super exciting.
Mm-hmm.
And what's exciting is that you can put your camera or you can put your phone. So this is for your phone. And then there's also this remote here, which is like Bluetooth, so you connect it to your phone. And so if you don't have anybody to take your photos, you can just click it and like take your photos. So this is the Bluetooth that connects to your phone. So this is the universal phone clip, which clips to your phone, and you connect this to the tripod. Or if you don't want to connect it to your phone, you can also connect it to the camera, which is so exciting. I've been needing one of these for so long, and I'm so excited to use it. Oh, you can also like move these. Oh my god. This is all made of plastic. None of it is made out of metal, if you guys are wondering.
Rubber?
No, plastic, it feels like. I'm so excited to finally use something like this. I usually set up my camera when I'm like doing my makeup and stuff on top of my lotion, and I'm always scared if it falls. But I'm really excited that I can try this out. And yeah, I'll have all the information down below, but this vlog, I'm going to be using this. I'm not sure if I want to hold and record, because I know that some YouTubers use this to hold their camera and like they just walk around with this. But I'm weak and I feel like it's gonna be heavy. So we'll see. But I will be using this to set down my camera and all that. But first we're gonna try the iPhone stuff and see how that looks and how the Bluetooth works and everything. Hopefully you guys can see me good. I'm kind of blind, so I can't really see. I'm gonna be using this on my phone right now. So first we gotta put this on. Okay, so I just noticed that this, I was trying to like turn it, but it doesn't turn. You just press it down and then this comes off. Okay, so I'm just gonna be twisting this on here. That's so much better. Okay, this needs to be that. Ooh! Okay, and now I'm gonna put my phone. It's propped up on your phone. Now we're going to turn on Bluetooth. So this has a switch right here, so you just, oh, it's right here. A, B, shutter 3. Pair. Okay, it's connected. Okay, I'm gonna take a photo. I just took it. Cool, okay, I'm gonna record. Okay, this is another photo. Okay, these two are photos. I think for record you just press the same thing. Yeah. I don't know what the difference is for these two buttons. I just stopped recording. I just started recording with this one. I stopped recording with this one. So these two I think are doing the same thing. I'm recording. Stopped recording. That's cool. That's so cool. Okay, now I'm gonna try it with my Canon camera. I don't think this could connect to my Canon camera, but I'm very excited to have something to hold like this. And I'm gonna clip it off. There you go. And I'm going to press this right here to release. Okay, and now I'm gonna remove this. Okay, and I'm gonna use this one to connect it to here. You guys can't really see it from here, but this is a really good angle. I'm really excited. Yes! Yeah, I really like this. If I wanted to set it down like this for some reason so you can see my double chin. But I'm very, very excited for this because now I can do my makeup and look in my mirror. This just does take like a little like getting used to, I would say, though. Just seeing like how you want it. I'm really excited. I'm like looking if like I tumble this over, would it fall? Well, if I go like this, it will fall, but I'm really excited. Oh, I should turn this off. Yeah, we're gonna be trying this out on Monday and today, but I don't think I'm going to be vlogging like this. I don't know if there's like a difference. So I will have all the information about this product linked down below. Again, they did send me this product and asked me if I can review it, but so far I really like it. And it is plastic, but I was thinking, imagine it was metal. Like, how heavy would that be? That would be so heavy. Like, I'm like, oh, now I can set my camera over here. Now I can set it over here. So again, I will have everything linked down below. And yeah, so I have changed. Me and my family actually went to another Target because we had to get dog food, because in the Target we went to, they didn't have any more dog food, or the ones that we usually get for our dogs. Our dogs are really small dogs, so we need to get small dog food for small dogs. I do want to show you, we actually ended up going to Ross as well, just because it was right there. And literally there is nothing in Ross right now. I'm so right. Okay. There's like nothing in Ross, but we did find a few things. So I'll show you. Here's one thing that we got. So this was a set, and here's like this cute little dog. And I really like it. I am gonna wash it before I use it. And then I also got these headphones. These are Skull Candy. They're only $5.99. And I saw, and it does come with a little mic here, which is very useful when I do my voiceovers. I want to show you the headphones that I was using because you'll see. I lost a little thing that comes with it. So that's one thing. And also this broke. It was still working, so I was using it, but it did break and I just needed a new one. So, and I think these are sugar or Skull Candy. They are. This did last a while, so thank you headphones, but now I have other headphones that I can use. Hey everyone, so it is June 23rd, a Tuesday. I was supposed to film yesterday, and I was supposed to film my like first day of summer school and just like all that. On Sunday, I read an email saying that my class was going to start on July 6th, I believe, in 2 weeks because of an unexpected emergency. Yeah, I was not expecting that at all. And it kind of sucks because I'm losing 2 weeks of instruction basically. We'll see how the professor will deal with the 2 weeks of no instruction. Right now I'm actually getting ready so I can go to CVS and pick up some medicine. I'm gonna get dressed now. I think I wore this in my last video. Did I wear this in my last video? Or did I wear this like in the beginning of the video? No, I didn't wear it in my last video. Okay, so I am putting my socks on. Yeah, we're gonna head out soon. Ignore that like witch broom. We got that, I think, during Halloween last year. And it smelled really good, but now it doesn't smell like anything. And it's just there as decoration, decor. So I'm putting my shoes on right now. I don't think I'm gonna take my big camera. I think I'm just gonna take my phone. I need to check when this pharmacy opens because I don't know if they open at 10. Does CVS open at 10?
The coconut pen?
Does CVS open at 10?
7 a.m. to 10 p.m. You're welcome. Pharmacy opens later, I feel like.
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go. 8 a.m. to 9 p.m.
Oh, an hour later. Okay. I have you guys on the tripod. It's really cool. I'm gonna take my phone. I don't know if I'm gonna vlog. We'll see. Probably not inside. I need my bag and the mask. So I did record me in the car, but for some reason when I transferred my video from my phone to Final Cut, it's just a black screen, but the sound is still there. So I don't know why that happened.
Protect yourself and your loved ones against the flu.
So I just made an appointment for a neurologist. So I went to the doctor. I went to the doctor last week and I told her about all my issues that I've been having. So she got me a referral to a neurologist and I got the referral in the mail. So today I just called, made an appointment, and also I'm supposed to get a CT scan. And they were supposed to call me, but they never did. So I called my doctor right now. As you saw, that was why I was on the phone. Yeah, they sent me to make the appointment, but it turns out they have to make the appointment. The CT scan office or CT office, I don't know, has to call me. I don't know, it's weird, but at least I called, and now they have my number, my name and stuff, so they can call me. And then I also got my prescription from CVS. This is a new prescription I'm gonna start taking. Yeah. Cook until rice is tender, 15 and 18 minutes. Okay.
Oh. Shoot, where are we gonna put it?
Right here.
Okay. Oh, beautiful.
Ooh. So I'm going to be ending this vlog here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. It was definitely not a vlog I was really expecting, or it took very different turns, but hopefully you guys enjoyed it either way. I do want to thank the company who sent me this tripod to unbox and review. They did not pay me or anything like that, but they did send me this product for free. I will be linking the Amazon of this tripod. And yeah, because I really enjoyed it, and it's very, very useful, especially for people who like vlogging and stuff. Having like a mini tripod around is just so useful. Like sometimes you just want to place your camera down, but like the angles aren't right, and then having a mini tripod there is honestly so useful. So I will be linking down below the product because I really enjoyed it, and I'm using it right now. Oh, let me show you. See, I'm using it right now. Again, they did not pay me at all, but they did send me this product. I just want to make that very clear. Oh, and also I did show like some clips of me and my sister cooking some food today. We used Hellofresh, but this video is not sponsored by Hellofresh either. We paid that with our own money, and we actually really enjoy the food and everything. Today's food was real good. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then please give it a like. And if you guys have not subscribed already and you want to do so, please do subscribe. And oh, if you want to turn on the bell notification to get notified when I upload, please turn that on if you want to. And if you would like to leave requests on videos you would like to see on this channel, please let me know in the comment section. I don't know what else to film, guys. I don't know what else to film. I'm out of ideas, basically. I will see you in my next video. Bye!